I am a vet assistant at Grady Veterinary Hospital, and I'm going to be talking a little bit today about harnesses and leashes. First off, there are many different kinds, and sometimes it's hard to choose the right one for your pet. For bigger dogs, a lot of people, they'll start pulling, or they don't have as much control over them. Well, in that case, you might want to get, this is called a choke collar. However, it does not hurt them. It just slips around their neck, and you can go ahead and put it through, and it just kind of gives you a little bit more control, so that when they're pulling, you go ahead and you pull back a little bit, and it lets them know that you're in control. This one, however, if you have two big dogs, this one, they offer a leash that you can hold on to up here, or, if you want to hold on down here as well. It separates so that you can have two dogs on one leash. And they can walk next to you and walk together. What we use here at Grady Veterinary Hospital is a lead, and what it is you just, you take the end and you put it through this little loop, and then you go like this, and so it can be as small or as big as you'd like. So what we do is we place it over your pet's head, and then we can better control your pet. This is another example. This is for a smaller dog, but they do come for larger dogs as well. And what happens is you just put both of their front legs through here, and then it goes around their back and it snaps. And then you can put their leash through it like this, and then you can lead them. And instead of all of the when you pull back on them, it goes to their shoulders and their chest instead of just their neck. And then these are called harnesses. We do have another option available for greyhounds. Since they have very sensitive long necks, there are thick collars. I don't have an example here with me, but they're thick collars, and what happens is there isn't as much pressure on one part of their neck. It kind of spans out to all of their neck, and it gives you control when you're walking them. And this is called a retractable lead. They do offer bigger ones of these. This is for probably about a 20 to 25 pound dog-ish. They do offer for different sized dogs, big or small, and they do offer different kinds of lengths as well. So you can have, 16 feet, or I believe that they offer 30 feet as well. So it can be pretty overwhelming when you go to the pet supply store and you see all these different brands and leashes and collars, and you don't know which one's the best for your pet. Well, the choke collars would probably be best for larger dogs that tend to pull. Harnesses tend to be a little bit better for the smaller dogs. As well as you can do a normal collar, and that usually suits everyone, except for maybe greyhounds. You want to look for the thicker collar. As far as the length, it really depends on how far you want your pet to be able to travel away from you. If you want, if they pull a lot and you want them close to you and you want them to walk with you, you can put them on just a regular leash. So with so many different choices, if you have any concerns or questions, you can consult your veterinarian, and they should be able to tell you which one would be the best for your pet. Just kind of give them a brief history on if your pet pulls, or if they run with you,